Сейчас еще мост перед нами открывается. This bridge is opening. Wow, как он быстро.
The next old bridge that we're all going to come up to and go by up here on our right.
Быстро, как бридж
That is the old
открывается.
CP rail line. It actually used to be a via line for a great many years. It connected a lot of the small towns from LiftLock all the way to Toronto. They have discontinued that via service. It is just basically used for freight train operation nowadays. A lot of talk about bringing the via service back now, however. Sparkling Waters Rail Lines construction was supposed to begin last year. I don't think they quite have all the funding.
To cross the bridge.
But the old train bridge coming up still swings a couple times a day.
Wow.
Usually
Вот начинает закрываться очень быстро.
The largest user of this track being Quaker Oats. They bring in most of the grain products in through rail truck. The second largest user of this track is a company called Union Mines. And it is a mining corporation. It's a little north of Havelock, Ontario. They mine nepheline cyanide there. It is used for a lot of different things, but a raw material for pottery. Back in the old days, two men would have to come down here with a very large turnstile key. They drop it right into the center of the bridge and then walk around in circles, very much like the lock attendants did in the last lockage. It'd take them about 15 or 20 minutes to open and close the train bridge each way. Nowadays, though, they're all done with a 5-horse electric engine. Does basically the same task, but a bit quicker. They can open and close the train bridge in about 5 or 6 minutes time. But nonetheless, if there was a power outage in our area and they needed to open or close this large train bridge, they could still do that manually.
Прикольно. Все, закрывается сразу.
Through a very large majority of our canal system here in town, everyone, if you glance down to either side of us, down here where the water meets the shoreline, there's all these cage baskets filled with flat